GDPR Data Protection Officer DPO training. Training dates 22 to 24 July 2026. Mode online. Timing 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST India time. Our email ID for registration is info@urgsiso.com. Please email us for registration. And our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for registration. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's digital economy, data is one of the most valuable assets for every organization. Every day, businesses collect, process, store and transfer vast amounts of personal information from customer records and employee details to financial transactions and online activities. However, with increasing digitalization comes greater responsibility. As we know, this organizations are expected to protect personal data, respect individual privacy rights, and comply with global data protection regulations. Failure to do so can result in significant financial penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. This is where the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) plays a crucial role. One of the key requirements under GDPR is the appointment of a data protection officer (DPO) in organizations where data processing activities require independent oversight. Welcome to this comprehensive session on GDPR Data Protection Officer (DPO) training, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In this session, we will explore GDPR fundamentals, the role and responsibilities of a DPO, implementation strategies, compliance requirements, and how organizations can build an effective data privacy framework. Let us begin. What is GDPR? The General Data Protection Regulation is one of the world's most comprehensive data privacy laws. It establishes a legal framework for collecting, processing, storing, sharing, and protecting personal data. Although GDPR originated in Europe, its impact extends globally. Any organization that processes the personal data of individuals in the European Union may be required to comply with GDPR, regardless of where the organization is located. The primary objectives of GDPR are: protect individuals' personal data, strengthen privacy rights, increase organizational accountability, promote transparency in data processing, build trust between organizations and customers. GDPR has become a global benchmark for data privacy, influencing legislation and business practices worldwide. What is personal data? Personal data is any information that can identify an individual directly or indirectly. Examples include name, email address, phone number, passport details, Aadhaar or national ID information, employee records, IP addresses, location data, financial information, medical records, online identifiers, biometric data. Organizations must handle this information responsibly throughout its life cycle. Why GDPR compliance is important? Organizations that comply with GDPR benefit in many ways: improved customer trust, enhanced corporate reputation, reduced risk of data breaches, better information governance, stronger cybersecurity practices, improved business continuity, compliance with international customer requirements, greater confidence during audits. For multinational organizations, GDPR compliance is often a prerequisite for doing business with European customers and partners. Who is a Data Protection Officer (DPO)? A Data Protection Officer is an independent professional responsible for monitoring an organization's compliance with GDPR and data protection laws. The DPO acts as an advisor, monitor, educator, and point of contact for data protection matters. The DPO helps organizations develop privacy policies, monitor compliance, conduct privacy risk assessments, advise management, coordinate audits, handle regulatory communications, respond to data breaches, build employee awareness. The DPO plays a strategic role in establishing a culture of privacy and accountability. Roles and responsibilities of a DPO. A data protection officer is responsible for advising management on GDPR requirements, monitoring compliance with privacy laws, reviewing organizational policies and procedures, conducting data protection impact assessments, managing privacy risks, coordinating internal privacy audits, supporting incident response and breach management, training employees on data protection, maintaining records of processing activities, acting as the contact point for supervisory authorities, assisting with customer privacy requests, promoting continuous improvement in privacy management. These responsibilities require technical knowledge, legal understanding, and strong communication skills. Now, core principles of GDPR. GDPR is built on several key principles: lawfulness, fairness, and transparency, purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, integrity and confidentiality, accountability. Organizations must integrate these principles into their daily operations to ensure long-term compliance. Rights of data subjects. GDPR grants several important rights to individuals, including right to be informed, right of access, right to rectification, right to erasure, right to be forgotten, right to restrict processing, right to data portability, right to object, rights related to automated decision making and profiling. Organizations must establish procedures to respond to these requests within the required timelines. Now, implementing GDPR in your organization. A successful GDPR implementation involves identifying personal data processed by the organization, mapping data flows, classifying information assets, conducting privacy risk assessments, implementing technical and organizational controls, developing privacy policies and procedures, training employees, managing third-party processors, preparing incident response plans, conducting internal audits, reviewing compliance regularly. GDPR compliance is an ongoing process, not a one-time project. Why choose URGS International? It's URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. We provide practical, industry-focused GDPR training and implementation support. Our services include GDPR awareness training, data protection officer training, GDPR gap assessment, privacy risk assessment, data protection impact assessment, privacy documentation development, internal auditor training, compliance consulting, corporate workshops, continuous compliance support. Our experienced trainers combine regulatory knowledge with real-world implementation expertise to help organizations strengthen their privacy governance. Now, closing and call to action means summary. As organizations continue to embrace digital transformation, protecting personal data is no longer optional, it is a business necessity. A competent data protection officer plays a vital role in ensuring regulatory compliance, managing privacy risks, and building customer confidence. Whether you are an information security professional, compliance officer, internal auditor, legal expert, IT professional, HR manager, or business leader, this GDPR data protection officer DPO training will provide valuable knowledge and practical skills to support your professional growth. Join the upcoming online training by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Training dates 22 to 24 July. Mode online. Timing 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST. For registrations and corporate training inquiries, email us info@urgsas.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. If you found this session valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more expert content on GDPR, ISO standards, information security, cyber security, data privacy, compliance, risk management, artificial intelligence, ESG and corporate training. Thank you.